We do have slight heat relief coming over the next 24 hours, more so tomorrow and beyond. The rest of this evening, though, just make sure that you're pacing yourself. The heat index has dropped a little bit, middle 90s. In most locations, still feels like 100 or hotter in a few local spots like Roscoe and Mount Carroll right now. So again, that heat has some teeth to it, and it's going to stay that way for at least a few more hours. Heat advisories for Freeport and Stevenson County, they will expire once we get to about 8 o'clock tonight. So a couple more hours, and then the conditions may relax ever so slightly. It still will be a stuffy night ahead, but still, in the meantime, make sure that you're pacing yourself and try to get into some air conditioning as the evening goes along. Temperature-wise, we do drop into the 80s by sunset, so there's that slight relief from the hot conditions. We have the heat index also dropping steadily as we approach sunset, so that will definitely help when it comes to all of this very hot weather we've been dealing with for the last 48 hours or so. Now, as we get into tonight, it's very similar to last night. Near record values when it comes to the warmth under a partly cloudy sky with some breezy winds, so plan on some pretty warm conditions throughout the night. And then we see some slight relaxation in the heat in the coming days. It's partly because the humidity drops down a little. So we're in that muggy stage right now with those higher dew point temperatures. This is a measure of how much moisture is in the air. We'll have some slight improvement. Yes, it's still humid over the rest of this week, but there will be a difference. You'll feel it between dew point temperatures in the upper 60s and then dew point temperatures in the 70s like we've had the past couple days. So that slight drawdown in humidity will help, along with a slight drop in temperature. So we're still in the 90s the next couple days, but as you can see, the heat index only getting into the middle to low 90s rather than pushing 100 like we saw as of this afternoon. And we could see some scattered showers and storms also drop that temperature and take some of the edge off the heat. We'll see that more into tomorrow afternoon. As you look at exact track radar, there is a cold front that's not going to do a ton to our heat outside of dropping that humidity down a little bit. This could produce some scattered showers and storms at times tomorrow. So as you look at future track, you can see anything that's coming in from Minnesota really just kind of fizzles out as we get into early tomorrow morning. The afternoon to evening, though, that's when we do see some spotty showers and thunderstorms, maybe some brief downpours, so be ready for that as we get to about 24 hours from right now. We'll see this repeat itself again as we go into Thursday. So Thursday also has a chance for some scattered showers and storms in the evening. As you can see, temperatures are going to stay in the 90s through Saturday. Then a cold front comes through, and it's going to feel like a world of a difference between Saturday and Sunday. Low heat, low humidity, and some sunshine at the end of the week. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, as you can see, we can have some days right around 90 degrees. But there are going to be some cooler conditions sprinkled in every so often, which is definitely welcome relief from all of the high heat we've had lately.